Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about how to join the official Blox Fruits Discord. Now, before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, let's get into it. Now, the first thing you want to do is you open up your Discord app on your computer. And then once you do that, what you want to do is on the left corner, you will find this pane like this, and it says add a server here on the plus icon, and then you'll get a prompt like this where it says create a server, and then you click join server, and then you will have to add an invite link. And under invite link, what you want to do is you type Blox Fruits, and then you click on join server. And once you do that, you will join the Blox Fruits server. And here they will ask you to please follow the server rules and read these instructions to verify yourself. And now what you want to do is you close this prompt, and then you want to verify yourself. So under the chat, you basically type in /verify, and then you get access to some links like this where it says verify with Blox link. So what you want to do is you click verify with Blox link, and you click visit site, and then you will get to a browser page like this where you have to log into your Discord account again. And then you type in your details, you add your email, your password, or you can log in with QR code as well, and then you basically log into your Discord. And once that is done, you will get a prompt again like this, where it says an external application block link wants to access your Discord account, and then you basically click authorize, and then you will be taken into the blox.link page. And here under the dashboard, once you go to the bottom, you will find get started now by linking your Roblox account, and it says verify now. You click the verify now button, and even more in the bottom, you will have to add your account information. So you click login with Roblox, and then you click next, and then you get to select account to continue as Blox link, and you just have to press continue. And once you do that, you will be requesting access, and then in a second you will get the confirm and give access button, and then you click that, and then you will be redirected back to Blox link. And once you do that, you will get to the Blox link user dashboard again, and then you go to the bottom and you get to select servers. So the Blox Fruits server is already selected. All you have to do is click confirm, and now you can go to Discord. You're already verified with Blox link. You can use the server to chat with people, and you can continue playing your games. So I hope this helped you guys. Thank you so much for watching.